Welcome to the Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set the translate feature for your action button for your iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max. So if you're a frequent traveler around the world and you need the translator app quite frequently, with iOS 17.2, you can access the translate feature right at your fingertips by using the action button. So let me show you how to configure that so that when you press the action button, the translate feature appears. So to do this, you want to first open up settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see the action button. Tap on it. Now on this menu, you'll see the new translate button. If you don't see it, you'll need to basically just scroll left and right until you see the translate feature. Now this will basically translate phrases or have conversation with someone in another language. So once you've set that, go back to your home screen. Go ahead and long press on the action button and your translate feature will be activated. And there you go, it is listening to me in English and down below it has translated in Spanish. To change the translation language, go ahead and open up the translation app. So search for translate. Here you want to go ahead and set what language you want to translate it to. So you want to go ahead and change Spanish or English, and vice versa. So there you go guys, that is how to set the translate feature for your action button on your iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.